Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Taylor and in this video we will discuss about Nykaa startup. Let's first know about Nykaa. Nykaa is a beauty retail company that sells cosmetic commodities both online and offline. It serves the customer of India and Nepal with a wide range of wellness and beauty products. The brand name Nykaa is derived from the Sanskrit word Nayaka, which means one in the spotlight. Nykaa is an Indian e-commerce company founded by Falguni Nayar in 2012 and headquartered in Mumbai. It sells beauty, wellness, and fashion products across websites, mobile apps, and 76 offline stores. It is a unicorn startup and as of 2020 was valued at 85 billion. Now let's move further. How did it start? The company started its journey in the year 2012. It initially started as an online corporation, but eventually it switched itself into an omni-channel strategy in its latter years. Based out of Mumbai, Nykaa is well known for its popular e-commerce platform. Besides, it also handles around 76 stores by now in India. Women usually work a lot, starting from dawn and ending to dusk, so personal care is essential. This is why this company started years ago, aiming towards making all simple women extraordinary in every aspect. Now, marketing strategy. This company's marketing strategy is the promotion of its beauty and wellness products. They advertise their products online on various pages, websites, blogs, etc. In order to gain success, they collaborated with Femina to the host Nykaa.com, which is now very popular and known by all for its proper working and dealing with its consumers. Their marketing and content strategy is already built over the last 7 years and it's strong indeed. Therefore, it's one of the largest omnichannel beauty players in the nation. Now let's talk about its business model. Nykaa basically deals with high-end products like Lakme, MAC, etc., which is why the commission also gets elevated. As you all know, cosmetic products have got a really high margin, so it is a profitable business. Besides, the company has taken the entire thing to a different level. Let's see its revenue model. It uses digital marketing as a means to market their website. The average cart size of Nykaa is rupees 1250 to 1550 rupees. Quite affordable as you may say. It allows its user to purchase cosmetics, skincare, hair care, and fragrances. The revenue produced by operations was recorded at 249.81 million financial year 20. The platform follows an inventory led model and has got its own private model. Expenditure is increasing more than double of the financial years. However, the Mumbai based online platform almost turned out to be beneficial and profitable for itself as well as for its consumers. Growth of Nykaa. In the year 2019, the company had a growth rate of 78%. The online BPC retailers' growth rate has considerably got decreased over the years. However, the company obtained funding of net worth 14 million to compensate. The Mumbai-based company says publicly that it's the consumers who have helped the company to build its empire. It was a 12-year journey for them in 2018 when it said that growth came to them slowly as they started building stores which were around 35 then all over India. Now let's see Nykaa future plans. The company is aiming towards expanding its offline business. It wants to expand its offline evidence by opening 180 stores by 2024. Nykaa, the multi brand beauty product company, will expand its physical existence by opening more than 180 plus stores all over India, and also it holds a dream of growing its offline business more and more in the upcoming years. Nykaa is looking for IPO by the end of this year or in early 2022. The company has already turned into a public company limited by shares on July 16, 2021, and it is just one step away from getting its draft red herring prospects filed, which is a matter of days from now, as reported on July 26, 2021. Nykaa has filed papers with the Securities and Exchange Board of India and is looking forward to raising around 539 million via its upcoming IPO, as reported on August 3, 2021. Conclusion. Over the recent times, Nykaa has launched a range of new products that also incorporate celebrity endorsements. Alongside this, they have also incorporated various fresh collections to include in their personal brand. The platform has a wide range of grand plans ahead to mark the beauty and fashion industry and has been focusing on exporting quality products and services to the users at suitable rates. The platform shows a great degree of promise towards expanding and gaining an even further dominant position in the future. Thank you.